Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add audio into the CapCut PC. So here I've already on the CapCut editing page on my computer. And if you want to add audio, first you need to make sure that you're on the media tab in here. Then here, click on the local uh, panel in here, and to add the audio just click on import. Okay, so here just find the audio that you want to add into the CapCut PC. So for example, let's try to find the audio. Okay, so for example, I want to add this, so click on the audio, then just click on open. So as you guys can see here, just like that, the audio will be added into the CapCut media here. And if you want to add it into the editing timeline here, just click on the plus icon and it will be added to the track like this. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.